The coronavirus is the biggest threat this country has faced for decades. You must stay at home.
Can I please go camping with the girls this weekend?
We open with the vultures, kissing the cannibals. Sure, I get lonely when I'm the only human in the heat of the animals.